There's a song that was composed by Joe Keating during the time of when the West Clare Railway closed down. And tomorrow, the West Clare Railway line, West Clare would pass his house for the last time. And he feels so sad and lonely. And this is his lament. I'll try and sing it. Oh, I am so sad today. My heart is bent with sorrow. The West Clare wouldn't pay, so it's closing down tomorrow. No more will I hear the sound of the train that was so dear to me, that jogged along time and again, passing to Lahinch and Kilkee. Oh, many's our youth it carried away. Oh, how they wept at the station, bound for Britain or the USA, to join some wealthy relation. Many of these reached great fame whenever they did wrong. But back in the West Clare they came to visit the old folk at home. It was no express indeed, but no one seemed to worry about time or its speed. There was no rush, no hurry. The cattle of Clare, famous no doubt, nothing better in market or fair, were purchased by dealers from north and south, and railed off in the old West Clare. For years this cause hung in suspense, the West Clare they were trying to close. Soon 'twill be forever in past tense, so I wish it a sweet repose. Fare thee well to your engine of diesel and steam. Oh, how often your whistle did ring, to hear it in my dreams, what happiness would bring. Oh, I am so sad today, my heart is bent with sorrow. The West Clare wouldn't pay, so this closing down tomorrow. No more will I hear the sound of that train that was so dear to me, that jog along time and again, passing to Lahinch and Kilkee.
Well, I have news for James. It didn't end with his song, or it didn't end with Tassie French's song. There's a new song about it. And even though my friends tell me I have a voice that will frighten rats out of a stack of oats, that never stopped me. 'Twas in the month of April in the year of '96. The Western boys were back in town and up to their old tricks. They'd lay down miles of railway track and wanted for to roll. So they went down to the station and our noble engine stole. That engine had stood proudly there for nigh on 40 years. 'Twas home to bottles, condoms and redundant cans for beer. 'Twas painted red and green and obscure shades of rust. The old engine it was broken and the boiler it was burst. Many townies they were very upset and they wanted their loco back. And one brave soul, I believe he's here today, made a great protest in the midst of the hijack. He stuck on there like Solvite glue to make his great protest. They say it took a fortune in a taxi to get him back home from the west. Last verse you'll be delighted to hear. For the County Clare is famous for the music and the crack. and Moyasta is alive again. Now the old West Clare is back. In 3 years' time 'twill roll again and be home before the night. And we're going to change the song from Michael to Jackie Whalen, you were right. This has been a great day for us and absolutely miraculous what has happened. All credit due to Jackie Whalen and everybody belonging to him. And we are now looking for the backing of everybody in West Clare, particularly the people who own land that the railway ran through. Their cooperation is vital. And I'd like just to remind people that, and not to take it too serious, but to help us. We'll leave it at that, and I want to thank you all for coming. There's more food, more wine, and anybody who hasn't had a drive on the train, we're about to go now. Good. Thanks very much.